Hi, I'm Sandy,
And I'm Sam.
and we'll be unboxing our new January collection from Elisabeth. First, we've got our Krypton Canvas book, which is tone-on-tone neutrals. Next, we have our Elisabeth Krypton Dunes book, which is grounding browns, several browns in there. Then we've got our Krypton Elisabeth denim, lots of blues. Okay, so our last book of Krypton is the Elisabeth boho, which looks like soft earthy greens to maybe warm reds. Yay, so it looks like the next three are 100% recycled goods.
This one in particular is our new shearling book. Lots of these fabrics have some rich color and they're all very soft and cozy patterns. This is our new multi-purpose book, great for a lot of our drapery customers who need some new options in their library. Lots of lightweight materials and some great color options as well.
And last, 100% recycled,
is an upholstery book. Lots of neutrals, greens, teals, blues, and even some reds. Nice textures, some nice wovens.
Okay, last but not least, you asked, we delivered.
Our new window book. This book is made up of 2 patterns and they are all faux silk new window options. Lots of great color options, perfect for all those window projects you have coming up. The last bit of information in your box is your sales rep contact information. All of us are available by call, text, or email. Feel free to send us your new projects or any questions you might have because we are all here for you.
Enjoy your books.